Hi guys, in this video I will introduce you guys about how Google can actually help us in managing small business using simple steps such as calculating a large number and varieties of formulas. Thus, it is also could teach people how to write a formal proposal for proper use, not only for students but also as an employee. My name is Kimi and this is how to use Google Productivity, Docs and Sheets.
Okay, first of all, let's launch the Google Chrome and you will see the final page. You will see the 3 by 3 dot symbol on the top right corner and just click on it. Then just search for Google Docs. Go down and search for Google Docs and click on it. Then you will see a blank page and just click it. On the first page, I know you will need a logo for a business. So just click on the insert bar on the top of the page and then just click image and you can upload image direct from your computer or just search it from web.
Then this will be pop out on the screen. All you need to do is just copy for a cover page with your title, your name and your teacher's name using the toolbar on the top of the screen. Then this is how it will be look like. Then this is how it will look like if you are using the toolbar for editing the cover page. For the next page, you can simply go to the insert bar and go to the break and click page break. It will be automatically go to the second page. For the next page, you will need a table of content for your whole proposal. Just simply go to the top left corner of the page and search for insert bar and then search for a table of content and click on any two of them. The table of content soon will be available if you had finished your proposal. Then click on the page break for the next page. The third page, you can start with your point or with your topic, which is acknowledge. You can choose either you want to use heading 1, heading 2 or heading 3, but I prefer to use heading 1 as your first topic because this will be automatically insert in your table of content and then just need to edit with your toolbar. Then just proceed with the page break to move on to the next page. For the next title of your page, you can type it and just simply highlight and choose either you wanna use heading 1, heading 2 or heading 3, but I suggest to you to use heading 1 as your big title, and you can also edit it using the toolbar given. For the subtopics of your title, you can first numbering it and just type your subtopic and highlight it, and either you want to choose heading 1, heading 2 or heading 3. I suggest to you to use heading 2 because it is under the heading 1, which is the title. You can also edit using toolbar given. Then use the same steps for your next subtopics of your point. Then use the page break to move on to the next page. proceed with your third point, and then use the heading 1 or heading 2 or heading 3. But as usual, I prefer you to choose heading 1, and you can edit it using the toolbar given. For the subtopics for your title, just simply numbering it, or just type your subtopic and use heading 2, and you can edit it using the toolbar. After you had finished write all your points and title, just go to the table of content and click on refresh. Then you will see your table of content consisting all of your title and all your subtopics regarding to each page. Next, to make it more neat, you can add header on your page. Just simply go to insert and insert header and click on header. Okay, as you can see, you can edit or you can type your header anything that you want, such as your school name or your club name, and you can also edit it using the toolbar. Next, for a number of pages, you can go to insert and click footer and click on page numbers. Next, just disable to show on the first page because you don't want to show the number on the cover page, and click apply, and then just edit it using the toolbar, and it's finished. Thank you. Next, for the spreadsheet. The function of spreadsheet is to manage your profit, your model, and your data of your business. First of all, just launch the Google Chrome and you will see the front page, and as usual, go to the 3x3 symbol at the top right corner and search for Sheets, which is Google Sheets, and click on it. This will appear and just click on blank. Okay, first of all, you need a table which is consisting all of your sale. Just highlight from B2 to the cell K34. Then add border to your table. On the top of your table, you're going to use it as your header of your columns. For the first cell, P2, just put date in it. For the next 3 columns, you can merge it into one cell. All you need to do is just highlight the 3 columns and click on merge cells. Then there you go. 3 columns have become one cell, and all you need to do is just click on the blue point and just drag it until K2. Then you will got the 3 merged cells. Then the date cells, you can highlight the 2 rows and merge it become one cell. Then you will see a merged cell. Next, you can add the label to your header and customize it using the toolbar given. You can also insert colors into your header by clicking on the fill color and customize it. There you go, you got a full color and edited header. For the date column, if you want to insert date into the column, you just need to click on data bar and search for data validation. For data criteria, you just need to choose date as you wish to use date for your column, and choose the range from B4 to the B34 and click OK and then apply. You can insert the date by double click on the cell and click the date wherever you want. Then if you want to arrange the date by the first day until the last day of the month, you just need to click on the blue dot and drag it until cell B34. For the next column, which is your product that have been sold in the day, you just need to include your data. For the price of your product, you just need to type your price and format it using number and just drag it using the blue dot until D34 to copy all of your price easily. Next, do the same steps for the next two sold and price column. For the total sales per day, all you need to do is just multiply the sold columns with the price per unit columns. This is because if you want to change your price, you can easily change without have to change the total sales per day using the formula. Then just drag the blue dot to copy all the formula all over the column, and then you will see the answer. For the two other products total sales per day, you can use the formula as the first product total sales per day, so you can change the price whenever you want easily. Below the table, create a one merge cell by merge two cells into one cell and give the name total, because you want to sum up total sales for the month. Then copy and paste for the three products and customize it on your own. For the empty box, you want to use it to calculate the total sale of a product in a month. All you need to do is just click on the empty cell and click on sum and just drag all of the box that you want to sum up and click enter. Then just copy the same formula for the next two empty cells, and then you will get the total sale of a product in a month. For the second table, create a table with three columns and label it and customize it on your own. And for the date column, use the same method as I taught before using the data validation. For the total sale of three products in a day, all you need to do is just add 3 sales of a day of the 3 products into one column. All you need to do is just add 3 cells, so that if you have a change of your sale of a day, the total sales of 3 products will also change. By using the simple formula, you can calculate the total sales of 3 products per day, and you can drag down the due dot until the last day of the month. By copying the same formula, then you will get the total sales of 3 products per day. For the target column, you want to see whether the total sales of 3 products of that day is achieved your target or not. Use formula if-else, which is if the number of sales is greater than 80 ringgit, then it will pop up achieved. If not, it will pop up not achieved. After that, just click on the blue dot and drag it until the last day of the month, and you will see the results, whether it is achieved or not. For the third table, you can construct it as I do and customize it on your own. the data column, as usual, use the data validation to use the date. And then for the trickiest one, we're going to use VLOOKUP function. This function allows you to choose any date for you to know the sale of any product of a particular day in the month. First step, click on the box that you want to refer to, such as the date. Then select the data that you want to use, the range data that you want to use. Next, enter the number of columns that you want to choose. For this case, we want to choose total sales per day, which is the fourth column from the left. Then click enter. Then you will get the total sales of Choco Rice in a particular day. Just use the same steps but different range and different number of columns that you want to refer to. For the Choco Bar, you want to highlight the range from the date to the total sales of Choco Bar. For the Choco Cookies, use the same step but the range we change, which is we use the date from the date until the total sales per day of Choco Cookies. By using this formula, you will get the total sales of a product in a particular day. The last step, you can use the chart to determine the highest sale of your particular product in a month. All you have to do is just select the column sale of a product and click insert, click chart, and you can see there's a chart on your screen. Next, to add date for the x-axis, just click on the x-axis and add x-axis. Just select the data range, which is from the first of your date until the last date of your month, and click OK. If you want to compare with other products, all you have to do is just go to the series and add series, and click on the select data range and click the sale of the day of another product. You can also change your chart by clicking on the bar chart. Finally, you can add the label for the bar chart based on the data that you collect from the table. That's all from me. Thank you for support. Have a nice day, everyone, and goodbye.